40,000, 38 grand, 250. Do not wait to bid. 38 grand, 2.5. 501A with navigation. 38, I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. Hit 38, I'm going to get 36 grand, 250. 36 grand. Lariat, 2.5 in the money. 35 grand, let's roll. 250. 35 offered, hit 2.5. 35 offered, hit 2.5 in the money. I'm going to get 2.5 here. Hit 35 grand. I'm going to get 34. 250, no lower. 34 offered, hit 2.5 on the 19 Lariat. Hit 2.5. I'm going to get 34. I'm going to get 2.5. Next card. Thank you, Nate. Chirp in right away when you want it, and I'll do whatever you need, my friend. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on the last Platinum Expedition, you all sat on your hands. Second row captain's chairs on this unit. Full load. Come on, everybody. 70,000, 250. 70 grand, 2.5 of the money. I'm going to give it 2.5 of the money here. 70 grand money. I'm going to put it on the board, Jackie. Let them bid on it. 70 grand, 250. You hit 70. I'm going to get 2.5 of the money. Mikey, what do you want to start at? 68 grand, 2.5. 68, second row captains all, 2.5, 68, I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. Get 2.5 of it, I'm going to give it to them on now, 2.5 of it, I'm going to give it to them on 68, I'm going to get 250. 65 grand. Well, now we're back into where we were before. 65 grand, 2.5, 5, 2.5 of it, I'm going to get 5. 2.5 of it, I'm going to get 7.5. 65, 5, 750. We're going to sell when we're done. Listen up. 65, 5, 7.5. This car will sell. 65, 5, 7.5. I'm going to give it to the mom boy. Hit 5. I'm going to get 7.5. I'm going to get 65, 5, 7.5. Sold. 65, 5. Number 326. Market to buy. Thank you, Joe. Or Nate, rather. I'm sorry. Thank you, Nate. Gateway Leasing. Nate's online. Pulled the trigger. And what I felt was a fabulous buy. Put them on the money. Number 114 is your number. Put them on the money. Give it to the mom boy. 21 grand. 20 grand money. 250. 20 grand. Number I'm going to get 2.5 of the money. I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. Yeah, 20 grand. I hate to leave you by yourself. Yeah. Without you today, I've been a little lonely. Thank you, my friend. Put them on the money at 17 grand. 2.5. 17 offered. Hit 2.5 of the money. I'm going to get 2.5 money. Hit 17. I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. Hit 17,000. I'm going to give it about 15 grand. I'll make buyers of you. Come on now. 15, 2.5. 13, 5, 600. You stick around, young man. I'll make you money. I'll put you in another tax bracket. Come on. 13, 5, 600. Get it on your 13, 5, 600. Pass. Next car. Bumper to bumper. Attaboy, Nate. Put him on the money. Give it to the bound bone. You tell me all night here. You say you want a brand new Ford? Take a look at this baby doll. Be a Lariat and all there. Got the roof. Got an FX4 panel roof, as I mentioned, 502A. Put him on the money. Give it to the bound. 38 grand. 38 grand. 2.5 of the money. I'm going to get 38. I'm going to get 2.5. 34 grand. Oh my. 34 grand. 2.5. If you're thinking about buying trucks next week, don't buy them today. 30, they'll be higher next week. 34 grand happens every time. The week after the 4th predominantly is the best time to buy. 34 grand, 250. 34 now, but I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. 34 off, but I'm going to get 2.5 of the money. I'm going to take it out. 33 grand, money down, 250. Hit 33 offered. Hit 2.5 of the money. I'm going to get 33 out. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get 2.5. 33 on the next one. Bumper to bumper, bring him on the through. Yeah, man, ain't all night here. Take a look at here. I have a hard to find truck. Number 116 is our number. This been sold on OBE. Apparently, take it out. OBE, shop till you drop, 24/7. Wheel of a tool. Come on, baby, all night here. Here the minimum money, give me the money, give me the money, give me the money, give me the money. Tell me 117. How about that one? No, same story apparently. Take it out. 117, likewise. Been sold. My goodness, put him in all night here. You had to get him in the money, give me the money. Well, what about 118? Well, Nate, you've been a busy boy. Same with this one. Take it out. Sold. OBE. Put him in all night here. Hitting in a minimum. Money, right there. All night on it. Yes, sir. All night. Well, what about 119? Ah, here we got one. Put him on the money. Right here. All night. With the bomb on the money. TRD Sport. Tacoma. 41,000. I'm going to get you an amount of money here. 41. I'm going to get you an amount. I'm going to get 41. I'm going to get you an amp here. 37 grand. 250. Are you out there? 37 grand. 2 an amount of money. I'm going to give it about 35 grand. 2.5. 35 offered. Hit 250. Hit 35 offered. I'm going to get you an amount of money here. 35 offered. I'm going to give it about now 250. 34 grand. 2.5. Take it out. 34 grand. 2.5. 5. 2.5. I'm going to get 5. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get 5. No. Swing and a miss. Sorry, Nate. Next car. Bumper to bumper. Hard to find Touring Pacifica. Good miles at 32,000. 32 grand. I'm going to give it about now 2.5. 32 grand. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get 30 on the board. 32 grand. Hit 250. Hit. Thank you, Jackie. I'm going to get 32 and I'm going to give it about 28,000 at 250. 28 grand now 2.5. Hit 20. I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. Hit 20. 15,000 miles and a 4.3 CR. Ladies and gentlemen, study our lesson. 26 grand, 2.5 and 5. 2.5, 5, 7.5 to get 27. Hit 250. 20, take it out. 2.5 of the money, I'm going to get 5. Hit 2.5, I'm going to get 5. I'm going to get 2.5, I'm going to get 5. Hit 2.5, I'm going to get 5. If it Schulte's at 27, 250. Number 362, he's paying attention. Here's number 121. Put him in all night here. I've got a limited RAM. Put him on, I'm going to give it about 52,000. 52 grand. Now 2.5 of the money. I'm going to get 2.5 of the money here. 52 grand. Hit 2.5. I'm going to get 250. 52 grand. I'm going to give it about 48 grand. No more. 2.5. 12-inch screen. Panel roof. 48 grand, 250. Hit the limited model, 48 grand. I'm going to get 2.5 of the money. Hit 48 grand. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get 48. I'm going to get 2.5. Next one, bumper to bumper. Bring them on. Let's roll. We have here car number 123. Got 123? Sold. OBE. Take it out. Yes, sir. That one rocks. It going on the road. This man sells a lot of them. Put them on the money. What about 125? Yes. Here's a Sport. Here is a Sport. We got to take a little while here because... All right, on that Sport. Put them on the money. Get 49,000. 49 down on that big Sport. Hit 2.5. I'm going to get good miles here. 49. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get about 44,000. No lower. 2.5. Now 5. 44. 5. 2.5. I'm going to get 5. 7.5. 44. 5. I'm going to get 7.5. I'm going to get about now 44 and 5. But I'm going to get 750. That'd be a Sport, everybody. 44 and 5. But to get 7.5. I'm going to get 7.5. 44 and 5. But I'm going to get 7.5 of the money. I'm going to get 44 and 5. 7.5. No deal. Next car. Put them on the money right here. Bring me all night here. Yeah, man. Day no 9. Bumper to bumper. Bring them on. Let's roll. Yeah, but pay all 9. Give it. I'm going to give it to them on car number 124. Do you have that one? Sold. OBE. Take it out. Sold. OBE. We'll take it out. Pay all night here. Well, give them a minute to here to get. We got vehicles left, and because of where the other one's been sold OB here, we'll take our time. 126 here number. We have this one. Is that right? Yes. Here is a half ton. Put them on the money. 4.6 on that CR. Everybody right from Gateway Leasing, and of course Nate's online. Help yourself out. Put them on the money. Get 38 grand. 250. 38 now 2.5. 38,000 at 250. 38, I'm going to get 2.5 of the money on it. 38 grand, I'm going to give it about now 2.5, I'm going to give it about now 250. Hit 38, I'm going to give it about now 2.5, I'm going to give it about 34 grand. Hello. 34 grand, 250. 34 grand, 2.5. 34 offered, hit 250. 34 offered, I'm going to give another one now, 2.5. I'll tell you what now, that's a buy in anybody's book. 32 grand, 2.5. 32 grand, 250, now 5. 2.5, I'm going to give 5. Anybody awake? Hit 2.5, I'm going to give 5. Take it out. Next one, bumper to bumper. 127's your number. Ladies and gentlemen, number 127. So Harold, oh, there's a nice looking Jeep. Nate, there's a sharp Jeep now. Come on now. All right, navigation. Advanced safety group package. Put them on the money, get 48 grand. 48 grand, 52.50. 48 on the better, I'm going to get you an amount of money. Yep, 48 on the better, I'm going to get you an amount. 44,250. 44 grand, I'm going to get you an amount of money here. 44,000, I'm going to get 250. That Jeep needs buying. 44 grand, get you an amount of money, I'm going to get 42 grand. Anybody home? 42 grand, 2.5, half. 42,250. 42,250. 42,000, I'm going to get you an M. Next one, they ain't looking, that's right. I'll tell you what, with your percentage of being right on that OBE, you've been doing well, Nate. All right, bumper to bumper, boy, they sell a lot of them in here. All right, bumper to bumper, bring them on right here, number 128. Hard to find Murano, all-wheel drive platinum with those no miles on the year of this platinum. Leather, panel roof, and navigation. 27,000 at 250. 27 at 250. 27, not even on 2 and I'm money here. 24 grand, we'll do it tomorrow now 250. 24, now I'm going to get 2.5. 24 grand, 250. 24, now I'm going to get 2.5. 23 grand, no lower. 250. 23 of it, I'm going to get you an M of the money here. I've got an MMR of over 25,000, everybody. 23 grand, 250. 21, 5, 7.5, 22, 250. Take it out, 5, 7.5, 23 grand, 250. 23 of it, I'm going to get you an M of the money. I'm going to get 2.5. Swing and a miss. Ain't looking at number 129. Got to hear me. Put them on the money, got 30 grand offered, no lower, 30 grand offered, and I'm going to get you an M of the money here. Hit 30,250. Put them on the money, 30 grand, hit 2.5. Buckets, navigation, heated chairs. 30 grand, 250. Take it out. Swing and a miss. They'll drink money, but right, they'll be sold on OB before the weekend. Here's number 130, Nate. Put them on the money right there to get 35 grand, 250. 35 to get 2.5. 35,000. You get 2.5 on the money. I'm going to get 35. I'm going to get 250. 30 grand. 2.5. 30,000. 250. 30,000 out of it. I'm going to get 2.5 on the money. I'm going to roll them out. 30,000 out of it. I'm going to get 2.5 on the money here. 30,000 out of it. I'm going to get 2.5 on the money. I'm going to give bumper to bumper. Bring them on night here. Here to get the minimum money right there. And I'm going to get 55,000. 131's your number. I'm sorry. 131. Sold. OBE. Take it out. Sold. OBE. Yep. Put them on the money right here and pay them all time. Put them on money. 132, 55,000. I have 50 grand offered it. 2.5. Better get 5. 50,500. 2.5. I'm going to get 5 on that trail, boss. 2.5. I'm going to get 5. 2.5. I'm going to get 5. Better get 2.5. I'm going to get 5. I'm going to get 2.5. I'm going to get 5. 250. Now 5. 2 and a half, I'm gonna get 5, but I'm gonna get 2 and a half, but I'm gonna get now 5. Wish I could, Nate. 2 and a half, but I'm gonna get 5. Next car, bumper to bumper, bring them on all night here. Ladies and gentlemen, number 133 is a Rebel. Here, but pay more than 45,000 on that Rebel. Hit 45 grand. Hit 2 and a half of the money. I'm gonna get 40 grand. 250. 40 got 38 grand. I'm gonna make buyers of you liars. Come on, 38 grand. 2 and a half. 38 down a bit, I'm gonna get 2 and a half of the money here. Hit 38 down a bit, now 2 and a half of the money. I'm gonna get 38 down a bit. Take it out. Hit 2 and a half of it, I'm gonna get 38 down a bit, and I'm gonna get 2 and a half of it, and I'm gonna get past. Next car, I ain't going to beat you up, Nate. I'm sorry. Next car, bumper to bumper, bring him on all night here. And number 134, put him on the money. I'm gonna get 25 grand. Don't have it. Sold OVE. Take it out. Sold OVE. Take it out. Next car. Put